Hello students, today I will teach you division of polynomials. In the last class, we have started multiplication of polynomial. So if you don't understand multiplication of polynomial, then you will not be able to understand. Okay. So see the video, that video at first, then we will see this or watch this video. Start with number 5. This one by this one, look, there is only one part is there and with minus sign. So we can write 14 p square q cube minus 32 p cube q square plus 15 p q square minus 22 p plus 18 q by minus 2 p square q, because we are dividing. Okay, suppose I have copied the sum here and I am doing here, right? Okay, just to save my time. So what will do, this one by this one, 14 p square q square by minus 2 p square q, then minus minus plus 32 p cube q square by, or you can write this one minus, write this one, this minus, and here is also minus 2 p square q, then plus 15 p q square by minus 2 p square q, okay, minus 22 p by minus 2 p square q plus 18 q by minus 2 p square q, right? So now 2 sevens are 14, so minus 7 p square cancel, q square, that is q to the power 2 minus 1. This is minus minus plus. Okay, 2 16s are 32, p square cancel, p to the power 3 minus 2, q to the power 2 minus 1. Because in case of division, power and power should be subtracted. Then this one plus and minus 15 by 2, we have to keep 15 by 2 because there is no other factor. Now p to the power 1 minus 2 and q to the power 2 minus 1, right? Then 2 11s minus minus plus, 2 11s are 22, p to the power 1 minus 2, q to the power minus 1, or keep it q, niche q. Then plus minus and minus, 2 9s are 18, q cancelled by p square, right? So we are getting minus 7 q to the power 1, that means q, 16 p to the power 1 q to the power 1, minus 15 by 2 p to the power minus 1 q to the power 1, plus 11 p to the power minus 1 by q, and minus 9 to the power 9 by p square. Okay, or we can write it this one, 16 p q minus 15 by 2, p to the power minus 1 means niche p, upper q, plus 11 by q, p to the power minus 1 means niche p, minus 9 by p square. Okay, please check the calculation. Okay, there is a problem, it was q cube, I have written here q square. Okay, so this is q3 by q, so it is this is 3 minus 1, that is square, so we should write here this one. Okay, now we do the next one. So next one is this one, number 4, 2x plus 1, 6x square plus 3x plus 5 by ato. Okay, q cube minus 1, this one there is a problem. So how to do? Always check the calculation what I have done. Okay, always check the calculation. Look, now 2x plus, this method we cannot apply here because here is 2x plus 1, dividing by 2x plus 1. If it was only 2x, we can apply the same method which we have done in the previous sum. But we cannot apply this method because it is different, because the here this is 2x dividing by 2x plus 1. So what will I do? We follow this step, 2x plus 1. This is a very easy one. At first you see the power x square x to the power 0, that means no power of x. So this is in order. You have to check this one at first. Now 2x and 6x square, that means you should multiply something So that the first term will come 6x square. What is there? 2x plus 1. So multiply, if we multiply by 3, it will come 3 into 2, 6x. But here is 6x square. So multiply by 3x. That is 3 into 2, 6x square plus 3x. Write this one, 6x square plus 3x. You just try to match the first term. Okay. Now go for minus. 13x minus 6, that is 10x. Oh, sorry. This is 3x. That is 10x. 13x minus 6, 10x plus 5. Now 2x plus 1, and here is 10x plus 5. So if you multiply this 2x plus 1 by 5, what you are getting? 5 into 2, 10x plus 5. You are getting plus 5. 10x plus 5. Okay. So no remainder. So quotient is 3x plus 5 and the remainder is 0. Okay. Now we'll do question number 3. Okay. Very, very important sum. Often it comes in the exam. Look what is given. 1 plus y given. But here 1 plus y cube. You should write here y cube because y square, these terms are not there. So it may come, that is why you keep a space. Now we have to take 1. That means if we multiply this one, if I multiply this one, that means it is 1 plus y. If we multiply by 1, so what we are getting? 1 plus y. 1. 1 plus y we are getting. Now go for minus, we are getting minus y. This is y cube plus y cube we are getting. Now we have to, now what we want? We want minus y. So this should be multiplied by minus y. So we get minus y into 1 minus y square. So go for minus y. So we get minus y into 1 minus y, then minus y square. Okay. Plus. So we are getting what? Y square plus y cube. Now from this we want y square plus y cube. So here is 1 plus y, but we have to, what we need? We need y square plus y cube. So if we multiply by y, what are coming? Y plus y square. It is not matching. So if we multiply by y square, what is coming? Y square into y square plus y square into y cube. Yes, it is coming. Okay, it is not necessarily that all the terms will be matched up, but sometimes it will not match. Then the remainder will come. So here the quotient is 1 minus y plus y cube, and what is the remainder? Remainder is 0. Okay. Now we'll come to the next one. Please check that. Yes, it is okay. Now we'll move to question number 2. Now 3x minus 7. Okay, we have to divide this expression by 3x minus 7. Same thing we'll do. Here 3x minus 7 is there, but we need 6x cube. So what we'll do? 3x minus 7. 6 is there, so 2 will come here definitely, because 3 into 2 is 6. But we need x cube. We need x cube, but there is x. So what we write here? X square. Look, now if we multiply this one, 3 into 2, that is 6 x cube. X square into x cube minus 7 to the 14 x square. So 6 x cube minus 14 x square, right? Go for multiplication. Okay. So what you are getting? 14 plus 1. So here you have multiplied by 2x square. 14x square plus x square. This is 15x square. Minus 26x plus 25. Now what you need? You need 15x square, but 3x minus 7 is there. 3x minus 7 is there. You need 15x square. So definitely it will come 5. 5 3 is 15, it's coming. This is x square, but this is x. So we need another x. Go for multiplication. 15x square minus 35x. Right here 15x square minus 35x. Okay. Plus 5x. Minus plus. 35 minus 6. 9x plus 25. Okay. 9x plus 25. Now 3x minus 7 here. We need 9x. So multiply by 3. That is 9x minus 21. 3 into 3x 9x minus 21, right? Minus plus 46. So quotient is the 2x square plus 5x 3 and remainder is 47. Please check the answer. Look here, in the question it is given minus 25. Okay, I have written plus. No problem, this is another sum. This is minus 25. This is minus 25. This is minus 25. So it will come minus 4. It will come minus 4. It is from ML Agrawal, right? So quotient is 2x square plus 5x plus 3 and the remainder is minus 4. Okay. Now we'll move to this one. Question number 1, very important sum. How to do this one? So here it's a big one. A square plus a plus 1. This is a cube plus 2a square plus 2a plus 1. Okay. From a square, right here, a square plus a plus 1 multiply by a. What we are getting? A cube plus a square plus a. A multiply by a. What we are getting? A cube. First term you have to match. The other terms will automatically come. A cube plus a square plus a, right? Look, first term is matched. Now minus, matched means if you go for minus, it will be cancelled. 2a square minus a square, that is a square. 2a minus a, that is plus a plus 1. Look, it is given in the form a square plus a plus 1, a square plus a plus 1. What will you multiply? By 1, by 1. So we are getting a square plus a plus 1. Okay. Look, a square plus a plus 1 into a, we are getting a cube plus a square plus, by 1 we are getting same thing, a square plus a plus 1. So the quotient is a plus 1 and what is the remainder? Remainder is 0. Okay. So see this one is a very easy one. So students, you should practice at home. I think there will be no problem in the division of polynomial and the multiplication of polynomial. Okay, thank you.